This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play FNAF Doom 2 Roblox. First, familiarize yourself with the basic controls. Use WASD keys for movement, left shift to run, and left control to crouch. Your main goal is to survive each night until 6 a.m., avoiding the animatronics. Pay close attention to their unique behaviors to increase your chances of survival. This guide will help you navigate the pizzeria's dangers. To survive, managing your resources is key. Your flashlight is crucial for visibility, but its power drains, so use it wisely. Keep the music box wound at all times. A loose puppet means serious trouble. Remember, running can attract animatronics, making early nights much harder. Walk calmly to avoid drawing unwanted attention from the roaming characters. Each animatronic presents a unique challenge. If Balloon Boy spots you, his laughter will attract other animatronics, so steer clear. Withered animatronics, like Withered Bonnie, can be temporarily stunned for about 5 seconds by flashing your flashlight. However, be aware that toy animatronics and the puppet are immune to this tactic, requiring different evasion methods. For advanced play, crouching allows you to sneak past animatronics undetected, a vital stealth technique. If playing with friends, coordinate tasks like winding the music box or monitoring cameras for increased efficiency. Always keep an eye on the in-game clock. Planning your movements to reach 6 a.m. is crucial for victory. Teamwork and careful planning are your best allies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.